on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hang on.
I just worked last night, and I'm tired, and I don't care how I look, so. And this is from Jason and Kate. And this is Christmas
Obviously you don't
2002.
care. Obviously she doesn't care how she looks,
You want
huh?
some cake?
Oh, gross.
What? Poop?
I don't know what that is. It's wet and it smells.
Could be anything in this house.
Where?
You can use that
Not Mom.
dog.
Where'd she get it?
She's afraid I'd eat or what?
No. You'll understand.
It's really
We'll all
glass.
come together in a second.
Get me a subscription to the newspaper, Green Castle. Yeah. There's the paper.
I made
You
that.
made it! Oh, that's gonna look good in
Wow.
my kitchen.
I
For
made a lot.
$100 in here?
Yeah. To the bottom.
Cool.
Say hi, Booger. Say hi.
Hi.
R02.
What's that?
Robbins in
Oh,
2002.
Michelle.
Man, I can't believe you made that.
Say hi, Booger.
Well, you've improved.
Am I
I think so,
good?
too. I've
No.
been
I'm
to
not
that
going over there anymore.
That is beautiful. I can't believe
Jason
it.
made it.
Oh, yes it
Say
is.
hi, Booger.
That was professional.
Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy.
Hi, baby.
Did you like it, Mom?
Yeah.
If you're appropriate in mind, we didn't get everybody, like, we only got Mom and,
Oh, okay.
Yes, I care. No.
And a happy
Nick, put that down.
What are you
Give that to Aunt Kate.
Yeah, he's obsessed.
Can you give that to Aunt Kate?
Do what?
Give it to her.
He's
Please.
gonna be.
So the earth
Thank you.
might
He's gonna be what?
Smoker.
Oh yeah.
I would discourage it, like,
Oh yeah, I do. He don't.
Oh wait, can I have one of those?
That's good.
He just had one. That's what he got.
Oh, I know. Ow.
Nick, no, baby, be good boy.
I didn't. I couldn't light it.
okay.
Here's another one.
Nicholas, let me see. No.
He wants to be a cameraman.
No, no.
Break it, Nick.
Nick,
Hey.
that's expensive. Don't touch
No.
it. It breaks. Be careful.
Be good.
You want to help me open it?
This is the hard stuff. Hard to
When I
rip.
saw it, I said, Mom,
That's
definitely.
Jason's equipment over this.
What is it? A toy for Mama?
That's a little piece of dirt. No,
Baby.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh my
boy.
gosh.
Oh, man.
What is it?
Give dog bath to get wet.
Did you give baby a bath?
Already.
Yeah. Gave baby a bath.
Did you help Papa Jim?
Hey, look at there. Baby's wet. Look, baby.
Just know what place.
Oh. Oh, baby, get on the paper. Come on, get on the paper. Come on, get on the paper.
Wait a minute, Nick, no. Let Mama Judy have it.
Like me, I love it. And it's cherry wood, or is that mahogany?
It's cherry.
That's beautiful. You know, you ain't gonna believe this, but I bought me some earrings the other day, and I don't have anything to.
Well,
I just lay 'em on the
Phyllis said
dresser.
that you needed the jewelry box, but we've
Got
gotten
any
it before
junk
she
here?
even said that.
And I love stuff
That's
that
junk.
winds up.
Yeah.
Thank you very
You see the
much.
ceramic on the top.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
And painted and everything.
I love it. Thank you, guys.
This garbage, honey.
Yes, dear.
Okay.
Oh, another one?
I
This
got
is
a,
Oh, like, all right.
kind of the same one that some other people
I got a garbage.
Where you go?
Yes.
Honey, this is supposed to be on the table, right?
No.
Yes.
Oh, Nick decided it
Looks
belonged
better
on the floor.
You can't play with that bike.
Listen to the radio. Listen to the radio. It's a hard life.
You guys don't keep
Oh, it's
those,
us.
do you?
Uh-huh.
What? Wind beneath my wings. Tracks 1 through 8. Polar bears. Oh, I can't wait to hear it.
I found
What
the
is it,
poker
Mom?
statement. I put
You
it on
told
CD.
me that. Is it me singing?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, honey, this is me singing.
It was 11 years ago.
You got wet as baby. Look at this. Can I turn this off there?
No.
Hit the red button.
Honey, look at this. Come here a minute.
Oh, yeah.
Look, Jason made that.
All right.